Are you looking for a legit way to earn extra money online? In this video, I will show you how to make money using this app, from signing up to cashing out your earnings. Let's get started. Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy videos about earning money online, crypto, and passive income apps, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future tutorials. The app that I will be sharing to you today is called TopSurveys App. But first, let me show you my dashboard here at TopSurveys App. As you can see, we have already earned $400 just by completing surveys and tasks here in TopSurveys App. And also, I earned $2.7 yesterday just by answering a 1-minute survey. One good thing about this app is that the minimum cash out threshold is only $5. So if you're interested, I will walk you through the step-by-step process how you can start earning here on TopSurveys app. First, download the TopSurveys app on your phone. I will put the download link in the description box of this video. Now, sign up using your email or Google account. Once you're done signing up, you will be redirected to their dashboard. There are two ways on how you can earn money here on TopSurveys. First is by taking surveys, and second is by completing game tasks. Go to the survey section and choose surveys that matches your profile. Before starting, you will see the estimated completion time, the reward amount, and the qualification requirements. Answer every question carefully and consistently. Rushing through surveys can lead to disqualification. Let's go over to the game section. Games pays more than surveys. As you can see, there are a lot of games that you can complete. For example, this Boss Craze app task. Once you complete level 20, you will earn $0.04. And once you reach level 50, you will earn another $0.14. When you finish all these levels, you will earn $4.52 in total. Just follow the steps and complete the task within the required time. Once you've earned enough amount of money, head over to the cash out section, which can be found in the upper portion of the app. Available payout methods include PayPal, Revolut, and gift cards. Always double check your payment details before requesting a withdrawal. Here are a few tips to maximize your earnings. Complete your profile. Check the app frequently for new surveys. Answer honestly and consistently. Enable notifications so you don't miss high-paying surveys. And that's how you can earn money using TopSurveys app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to someone who needs extra income during their free time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day, everyone.